Plant FAQs. Begonia Ginny Galaxy. Begonia Ginny Galaxy, a starry wonder in your home. Hello, plant enthusiasts. Ferb here, and today we'd venture into the captivating world of the Begonia Ginny Galaxy. This stunning begonia boasts a mesmerizing display of colors, making it a coveted addition to any indoor jungle. For those unfamiliar with this beauty, the Begonia Ginny Galaxy is a variegated sport of the shrub-like Begonia Ginny. Variegation, in simpler terms, means the leaves display a stunning mix of colors beyond the typical green. Now, let's delve into some of the most frequent inquiries regarding this celestial wonder. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Begonia Ginny Galaxy special? The Begonia Ginny Galaxy truly lives up to its name. Its elongated, narrow leaves showcase a mesmerizing dance of colors. Imagine a canvas splashed with vibrant lime greens, sunshine yellows, and delicate pinks, all blending seamlessly. This captivating color pattern makes it a standout amongst other begonias. Beyond its visual appeal, the Begonia Ginny Galaxy is considered one of the more stable variegated begonias. This translates to less frequent reversion, a phenomenon where variegated leaves lose their unique color pattern and revert to solid green. Begonia Ginny Galaxy versus Begonia Ginny, a sibling rivalry? The Begonia Ginny Galaxy is, as mentioned earlier, a sport of the Begonia Ginny. Sport refers to a spontaneous mutation within a plant variety, resulting in distinct characteristics. In this case, the mutation gifted the galaxy its captivating variegation, which the original Begonia Ginny lacks. While the Begonia Ginny boasts beautiful green foliage and a bushy growth habit, it lacks the breathtaking color symphony of the galaxy. However, the Begonia Ginny might be easier to find and slightly less expensive due to its simpler foliage. How to care for Begonia Ginny Galaxy. Like any prized possession, proper care is essential for your Begonia Ginny Galaxy to thrive. Here are some key ingredients to your success. Light. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sun exposure which can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent yet moderate watering is crucial. Aim to water when the top inch or two of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a leading cause of root rot, so be mindful. Humidity. Maintaining moderate to high humidity levels is beneficial. Grouping your Begonia Ginny Galaxy with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray filled with water can help create a more humid microclimate. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is essential. Opt for a mix specifically formulated for African violets or begonias. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer applied monthly can provide a welcome boost. How fast does the Begonia Ginny Galaxy grow? The Begonia Ginny Galaxy has a moderate growth rate. With proper care, you can expect a few inches of growth each year. Is the Begonia Ginny Galaxy easy to propagate? Propagation via stem cuttings is possible, but success rates may vary. Consider researching specific propagation techniques for begonias before attempting it. Is the Begonia Ginny Galaxy toxic to pets? Unfortunately, like many begonias, the Begonia Ginny Galaxy contains mild toxins that can be irritating to pets if ingested. Keep it out of reach of curious furry friends. Where can I buy a Begonia Ginny Galaxy? Due to its relative rarity, finding a Begonia Ginny Galaxy at your local nursery might be challenging. However, online retailers specializing in unique houseplants often offer this beauty. Conclusion. Embrace the galaxy in your home. The Begonia Ginny Galaxy is a captivating addition to any indoor plant collection. Its mesmerizing foliage and relatively stable variegation make it a standout. With a little TLC, you can cultivate this celestial wonder and enjoy its vibrant presence in your home for years to come. So, are you ready to embrace the starry wonder of the Begonia Ginny Galaxy? Happy planting!